Hit the hay, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning session. If you've ever wondered about common English idioms, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the phrase, hit the hay. Stick around to find out what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in conversation. Let's get started. Hit the hay is a colloquial expression that means going to bed in order to sleep. It's used to informally tell others that you're tired and ready to sleep. For example, someone might say, "I'm exhausted after that long hike. It's time for me to hit the hay." This phrase dates back to a time when mattresses were often filled with hay or straw. To hit the hay meant to literally pat down your straw mattress before lying down for the night. The phrase stuck, and we still use it today, long after most of us have switched to spring or foam mattresses. Using hit the hay in daily conversation is simple. It's best used in informal settings among friends or family. Here are a few examples. "I have an early meeting tomorrow, so I need to hit the hay early tonight." "You look tired. Why don't you hit the hay?" "After a night out. It was a great evening, but now it's time to hit the hay." Remember, using idioms like hit the hay can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Plus, it's fun to add these expressions to your vocabulary. Idioms like hit the hay add color and personality to the English language. Interestingly, similar expressions exist in other languages, which also refer to bedtime or sleep, showing that the concept of sleep being associated with agricultural terms is common across cultures. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, hit the hay, confidently in your conversations. Sleep is a universal experience, and so is the way we talk about it. Until next time, may you have many good nights to hit the hay and rest well. Goodbye, and keep practicing your English.